Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a scheduled meetings on Zoom application. Open your Zoom application on your mobile phones right away, and the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay into this meeting section. Now take a look on this top side. There could be like several options. There could be a new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. So if you want to create a scheduled meeting, just tap into the scheduled one, and then you can just tap into the name of the meeting that you want to adjust. And the next, you just need to go adjusting when do you want to schedule the meeting. They could be like several days. It can be like up to like 1 month. And the next is adjusting for the time. You can choose in the morning, evening. It just adjusting to what you need. And the duration, you can also pick the duration if you want it. And the next, you just need to make sure that everything is done. Right after that, you just need to go tap save, and then you are done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, drop into the comment section below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.